If you have a done-for-you agency, or you're doing one-to-one coaching, or even just agency work in general, or done-for-you services, you're gonna wanna check this out. And what you're gonna learn in this video is how you can go from services, because services don't scale, one-to-one coaching doesn't scale, and neither does agency work. You're gonna learn how to go from those things where you're trading time for money, basically, which I know you're always trading time for money, but the problem is we're not making enough money in the time that we're working, so we have to work all these hours, and we can only work so many hours per day. So how do you fix that? The thing I hated about it was if I wasn't working, I wasn't making money. That's why I created Make Once Pro, because I learned how to make something once and then sell it over and over and over again. And that thing that we're making is courses, group coaching, and memberships, so that we have recurring revenue happening and we can make something and sell it over and over and over again. And right here, I'm gonna show you how this works in just a second. But when you join Make Once Pro, you can join right now. You can see on the page here, there's a yellow button on the page. When you click that button, you have two options to join. You can join at the monthly rate, or if you join at the annual rate, I'll do a live onboarding call with you, and you get 3 coaching calls, and you can come to our live event that's only for annual people that sign up with the annual membership. If you do the monthly membership, you're still gonna get an amazing set of things. You just won't get some of the perks that the annual people get. But let me show you something here. We're out here in my shed. Another reason I love this, because I can work from anywhere. I can work from the back of my car. I can work from anywhere I'm traveling. That is what is cool about this. When I did the other work, done-for-you services, one-to-one coaching and all that stuff, I had to like go to them, I had to get the stuff, I had to do all this like service work, right? I couldn't be anywhere I wanted to be because I had to be in a certain place to work with the customers. That's the whole thing you're wanting to change. It's what I wanted to change. So it allowed me to make multiple 7 figures. Before I was stuck in this like 6-figure trap, it was chaos and I was wore out and I worked all the time. When I switched over to courses, group coaching and memberships, I hit 7 figures quite quickly. I was able to get my time back because I didn't have to work as many hours to make as much money. And while I was sleeping, I was making money and I had recurring revenue. But here's what I do. Inside of Make Once Pro, every day you get videos from me. This is a video I just made for these guys today. We go over a certain problem and then I show you in a few steps how to do it. Whether it's how to do content, whether it's how to create your course, how to sell your product, how to create funnels, everything. And I pre-build everything for you as well so you have it. Now check this out. When you're inside of Make Once Pro, this is the inside, this is the community. Each day I'll pin posts to the top like of that board over there I just showed you. In the community tab here, you can ask questions all the time. It's 24/7. You can ask questions and interact with all the people in here. We also have a classroom. In the classroom, I take you through start. Here's the model, the mindset, how to create your products, how to convert leads into sales, how to attract people on social media, okay? The workflow that we work through. Inside of this 90-day sprint that we're doing, we're always doing sprints because we can work together. You can see in here, this is one of the videos we did. Each day I add one for 90 days. It's a new topic. Leads to paying customers, your marketing message, content that converts. And then down below, I give you the steps. I also give you the board that we covered. I give you all the tools and everything that you need to succeed with this. Again, it's all about going from doing services that don't scale to doing products. You're basically turning your knowledge into a digital product. You're productizing your knowledge. Right now, you have the ability and the skills to do the service. You have the ability and the skills to do one-to-one coaching. That means you're qualified to teach people how to do what it is that you're doing for them. And instead of coaching just one person and making, let's say, $100 an hour, you could coach 20 people at one time and make $2,000 per hour. You're still doing the coaching, you're just doing group coaching, you're being more efficient, and it's actually better for them too. And then you can get your time back because you can make more in 1 hour than you used to make in 20 hours. So now you get to keep those hours to do whatever you want, you know, like life, your hobbies. You can work from anywhere. It's awesome, okay? And you can do it. Now check this out. We also have each day these calls. So you can see on this calendar here, we've got a call going. All you do is you click on the call and you can get on the Zoom, and I call it Get Results Daily. Each day, Monday through Friday, I work with you. The thing about annual is you're gonna pay more up front, but you also get a heck of a deal. You're getting like 33% discount if you pay annual. Then you'll also get to come to the event for free because we're gonna do an event starting next year. We're gonna have in-person events once per quarter for a couple days. I'm gonna rent a really awesome place. We'll meet in person. We'll work on your funnels. We'll work on your courses. We'll work on your sales and your marketing message. You're also going to get your own private call each month with me and just the other annual members. And if you join annually, I send you one of these Make Once hats. They're fitted, they're sweet, they're good hats. I don't know. people like them. So you get the calls, the classroom is full of stuff, everything you need. I teach you how to use Skool, how to use System.io, how to use Loom, how to make videos like we're making right now, how to use Miro, Zoom, ChatGPT. And then you even get my old Build Lab program that I've sold for over $5,800. You get all of that at the monthly or annual price. Again, Make Once Pro. It's all about taking what it is that you know and what you're doing for someone else and turning it into a product. You're productizing your knowledge and then you're selling it. It's a product. It can sell without you all the time, and I show you how to do that. Now, let's take a look at the process. We're always attracting people, then we're converting them into leads, then we're converting them into sales, and then we're delivering on the promise. That's all we ever do. Attract, convert, deliver. And when we do a good job by delivering, guess what? That gets us more people attracted, because these people go tell these people, hey, if you want that, go here. And just imagine, we're driving traffic from social media. We use organic traffic. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's how you got here. So we're driving traffic on social media. We're driving them to a single landing page where they opt in for something for free. They go into our email list. As soon as that happens, they start getting automatic emails, and these automatic emails are helping them see how we help them, see our solution, how everything works. Then they go to the second page where we give them the free thing and we sell them on joining our program. Then they go over here to where we have our courses, coaching, and this video sells them. I've already built this for you, but then I show you how to set these up, and then I work with you daily on making sure that this always works. But this thing can run in the background constantly while you're out doing other things. Like for instance, okay, this video that you're watching right now is not live, but it's working for me. You're watching it right now. I'm doing something else. Think about that. You take what you know and you turn it into a digital coaching program or course or membership program that people pay you monthly for. Just imagine, what if you had 1,000 people and they all just gave you $3 a day, or let's say 97 or 99 bucks a month. Think about that. That's 97,000 a month. How would that change your current situation? And just think, what if you only had to do 2-3 calls a week for like an hour? So basically, you can work 2 to 4 hours a day and you can make 7 figures when you have this system set up properly, okay? That is freaking awesome. So we make something once and then we sell it forever. I encourage you to join. If you have any questions, email mike@makeonce.com. I'll answer any questions you have. If you're tired of trading your time for dollars, if you're tired of dealing with the done-for-you services and one-to-one coaching and you can't scale, or you're tired of having your marketing agency or whatever type of agency you have, just remember, if you can do those things, you can certainly create your own digital course and you can sell it online, and I'll show you how to do it. Click the button, get started, and remember, if you do annual, you will get the perks of, I'll send you a free hat, and you can join me. You get a free ticket to the in-person events, and you're also gonna get your own private VIP call, and I'll onboard you, and you'll get live coaching calls just for the annual members. Now, the price is gonna be going up considerably, okay? I've got it set pretty low right now, but the price will be going up very soon, and I don't want you to miss out on this price, because once it goes up, it never goes back down. Get in there. Let's make the next 12 months look completely different than the previous ones. Let's get your time back so that you can actually do stuff, and get with some people that love doing this stuff and can actually help you. All right? I'll see you inside.